OpenAI ने Go प्लान लॉन्च किया है सिर्फ इंडिया के लिए एंड दिस मे नॉट लुक लाइक अ बिग डील बट इट्स गेम चेंजर बोथ फॉर OpenAI एंड हाउ द फ्यूचर ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर और ऑनलाइन सॉल्यूशंस आर गोना लुक लाइक इन इंडिया. How? Now, OpenAI Go is a plan जहां पे वो monthly 400 rupees charge करते हैं as against $20 which would translate into around 1700 or 1800 rupees globally, especially in the West. And why have they done it? Because they realize a nuance that earlier large businesses did not know. India for years has been seen as a Dao Mao farm. What does that mean? यहाँ पे आपको users मिलेंगे लेकिन यहाँ पे आपको paying users नहीं मिलेंगे. तो even if you look at Google, Facebook and a lot of other large players, वहाँ पे उनके यहाँ users बहुत हैं लेकिन अगर उनका revenue, India का share of their overall revenue देखेंगे तो it's a minuscule number. However, what has happened is that businesses have started realizing that India can be a significant revenue contributor if only आप Indians को उनकी pricing पे product दें. Stop selling them on pricing which works in US or other Western countries. So don't sell for $20, sell for 200 rupees or 300 rupees or 400 rupees. Businesses which have proven this are businesses like Netflix, like Spotify. These are global businesses who have realized कि इंडिया में आपको सस्ता प्लान डालना है लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं. There are 1.5 billion people and of course not everybody is going to buy the cheaper plan as well, but if a significant percentage of these people buy your cheaper plan, even then the cumulative revenue जो आप उसमें बना सकते हैं is significant. Expect this playbook to expand across products in coming years where Indian consumers will have the advantage of actually using these products at a much cheaper price compared to their counterparts in the West.